Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath here it's a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch 5-spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, black MB-Tex interior, the pearl walnut trim, sunroof, third row seating, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seating, blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated seats, dual clamp controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLS has 37,211 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2018 certified pre-owned GLS 450 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.